believe suddenly appear every time you are near. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I tell that lie, kill that bitch. I do all of them around you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you chugging out it for me, I got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting at your bodies. Long as you're dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. Baby, I know sometimes I test your patience. You're the only one to keep my faith in my love. If it's issues, baby, we can adjust. Ooh, and you know there ain't nobody else to make it feel at home for me. You part of the planet that's on goals for me. Ain't nobody do it like you. In this life, no, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment?
Hi, CJs! We are Sincerely the Champs.
I am Justin.
I am Aljo. I am Mikael.
I am Sherry.
And we are the Sincerely the Champs. So, we are Group A, and this subject, AB, I think AB 18. We are tasked to have a vlog. No, we have a vlog. For every week, we're gonna upload it every Friday evening or Saturday morning. So, aside from the vlog, so we have the content. So the content, like, it ranges from the daily lives of the students, or the agribusiness students, and I've been thinking as a team leader to have a different content. So I have a different content. Like, I've been thinking na pwede tayong mag-podcast. So here is our segment na mag-podcast every Friday, or kung what day na gusto namin mag-film ng podcast. So this is our introductory podcast also. Please bear with us as we go along with this first podcast namin. So this is a small podcast na. So like, we're gonna jump up the question right away. So like, here's the question. What is the feeling of being a junior agribusiness student? So like, let's start with Justin. Sige, Justin.
So, as an agribusiness student, for me, it's a mixed feeling because dili siya ako ang first choice, but IT ako ang target. Unfortunately, wala siya nadayon sa IT, pero dili siya sayang. Ato ko sa agri, which is na ako'y mas learn na practical, and dili siya go to sa nga akong maglabo kay tungod ang application sa akong ideas is for IT and inclusive of business. So, wala siya from
So feeling so excited. So let's go with Aljon. So what is the feeling being a junior agribusiness student?
So ako, same ka Justin na dili first choice na ako ng business. So akong ganahan na course kaya ang junior ko. Then ako talo ko sa slot, so ako sa pay, enroll. So ang dua ka choices ko na napipili ko. So IT o kang BCB. Okay, so mas dili ko one thing sa mga computer. So dipili lang sa grade mo. So, parang na third year ako, lisod yun siya sa business kay para na ako, di na ako sa mga papers. So, maayo ko sa mga sa papers sa isbutan.
Kayo, so you are like kapoy, di ba? Kapoy ang business doon. So, for me naman, the feeling of being curious. So, ako, sa una, dream ko nga, mahimo kong teacher. So, when I was at grade 9, not until pa grade 10, na-realize na po sa kanila ng agriculture. So, ang akong inspiration sa agriculture is ang akong lolo and both sides of the family is related man sa agriculture. So, in that case, na ganahan sila og agriculture. So, na dito na ko sa na-realize na kung sa di kanindot na agriculture o ang business side na side. So, taking up the Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness right now. So, kay dream man ako siya, so I have the feeling of being curious yun. So, even though may iba daw ang mga seniors na ayaw na take anime course kayo, even though wala mo dyan sa iyo ng course, di ba? Wala mo dyan sa iyo ng course. So, ikaw, as ikaw ganda sa iyong mind, ikaw, so, for me, being curious ko ani sa course and at isang ganahan ako. So, in that case, na-curious ko is because nga ganahan ko study about crop science. So, kung narin major na crop science, di ko tayo ko. So, at the same time, curious ko about sa mga happenings sa agriculture, especially sa mga recently na mga news o sa mga trends. So, curious ko and also sa mga new technologies, sa mga experiments nga gi-develop, pinaagi sa agriculture. So, in this case, nga nung agriculture sa why I'm being curious is that how to defeat sa kadaghan na tao sa kalibutan. So, the answer is agriculture. Sa agriculture. So, that's why nga it is a big challenge for us as kita, the third year students, big challenge sa tuan, and it's also a big opportunity. That's why we are being curious kung saan na natin pag-grab ng opportunity and pag-handle sa mga challenge. So, ikaw, Shit, sino mo na-feel?
For me, I feel like being pressure, like, sa mga, gisulti ni Miguel Gaina, sa mga ginasulti sa senior abi, what will happen in the incoming semesters abi, like, unsay mga subjects, or unsay mga kasiguran ang mga projects abi, so, like, dili gid siya sayo, so, parang,
Down pressure, as in pressure kayo. So, kita man na feel na excited, kapoy, curious, and at the same time pressure ang tanan. So, I think this would be the end of our podcast. So please bear with us until on the next episode. So we are soft launching this little podcast of ours, Sincerely the Gems. So thank you for listening to our introductory podcast. So we are hoping to see you in the next episode. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, mainly as Sincerely the Gems. So I think we're on it. So bye, STJ. Bye.